Hi, welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to block people following you on X. So let's open X application on my phone, and now I need to tap my profile picture in the top left corner of my screen and access my profile. So now here I should tap my followers, and at the top go to followers section. And now in order to block people who follow you, you have to go to their account, to person that you want to block, and on their profile in the top right corner of your screen you have to tap three-dot button and select function block this user. Tap it and of course submit, confirm your decision by tapping block button. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.